Hi guys, you have heard a lot about the ants, but today I would like to express such a great view which prove how many ants agree with each others. You all know there are trillions of people in the world, but the glows of peace and love are gone from the world. Friends, the nation of the world hate one another and keep fighting among themselves. But you are watching that millions of ants live together and work together. They don't know their siblings or their parents or relatives. If needed help, so they help each others. The people of the world should learn from them and love should be shared. These ants which you are watching and bear witness, no matter how large the numbers, peace can be achieved.